avatar here as well. You can make a new friend. This is Super Cat. Let's keep on jumping.
A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas: Alachua, Baker, Bradford, Brevard, Citrus, Clay, Columbia, Duval, Onafor, Gaston, Glythrist, Hamilton, Lafayette, Lake, Leon, Levy, Liberty, Madison, Marion, Nassau, Orange, Twofor, Putman, St. John's, Seminole, Sumter, Swanee, Taylor, Union, Volusia, fell at 5:14 p.m. on December 15, 2019, effective until 7:14 Memesive from Apostat 3-4, issued for Baxton Willems, a black male, 6 years old, 3 feet 4 inches tall, 40 pounds, black hair and brown eyes, who was last seen wearing a red sweater with blue jeans, and Brea Willems, a black female, 5 years old, 3 feet tall, 30 pounds, black hair and brown eyes, who was last seen wearing gray sweatshirt with colorful writing on front and black forefork.
This is Super Cat. Let's keep on jumping. This is the Stinky Dragon. Oh, my tummy hurts. Morning, Bingo. You're excited? Yep. Hey, Bluey. Good morning. Mom, my tummy hurts. Oh, no. I think I'm gonna be sick. I'll just sit back on. Why are we? Yeah! Oh no, Bluey! Sorry, Mom, I didn't mean to.